Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm your Apple Watch is paired and charged above 20% because transfers can stall. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap My Watch. Next, go to Photos on your iPhone and pick the image you want. You can edit or crop it here. Once done, back in the Watch app, choose Photos settings so the photo sync album is available. This prepares the phone to watch transfer. Make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth remain active during the next steps. You'll now sync the photo. In the Watch app, tap Photos, then Photo Sync and choose the album containing your image. Adjust the synced album count. Pick one for a single wallpaper or a small number if you want rotation. Make sure your iPhone stays near the watch while it syncs. Syncing shows progress under the Photos section. Once the sync finishes, unlock your watch and proceed to set the face from the synced photo. Doing each step prevents partial transfers and mismatched crops. On the watch, press the digital crown and open Photos to find the synced image. Tap it, then firmly press the display and choose Create Watch Face. You can pick complications or select a face style like Photos or Modular. Set complications on the iPhone if preferred. If the photo didn't appear, restart both devices and rerun Photo Sync in the Watch app. Alternatively, remove the album and add it back. This resolves common sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.